Help support the companies that support our community. Alright, I have all my wood picked out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a wall piece. I'm going to do a comet. I'm going to use it. Alright, little change of plans. So I got the first one cut and it looked more like a horn than it did flames coming off the back of a comet. So Robin was out here. I said, can you think of any other projects I can do to incorporate this horn in it? She asked me if I could carve a cow skull for like Texas longhorn. And I said, no, I've never carved a skull before. So anyway, that's what we're doing. We should probably get started. There's a lot of sanding. There we go. I'm finally done with all of the sanding. This was super challenging for me. I've never done a skull before, and so I'm just kind of looking at pictures. I went and checked out a couple of videos. Jim Overton has a couple of really good videos on carving skulls, but I was just kind of going back and forth trying to get the proportions right. I would carve on a little bit, then I would sand and look at the picture and it wasn't right, and I kept going back and forth. So lots and lots of sanding. Robin ran over to the neighbors and he rounded us up a piece of barbed wire to hang it from, and that little block on the back, we hung it on the wall and it kind of tipped back a little bit, so I put that on there to hold it flush to the wall. But super fun, yeah, and very challenging. I want to thank Arbortech thank you guys for helping sponsor the video. I really appreciate it. As far as this, it was a piece of maple. It was a little bit punky on the top and the ends, so I had to carve on it for quite a while to get down to some solid wood there. I got some nice burl right there, and it had a lot of little cracks in it, but I left them in because I just thought it gave it a nice little rustic look. There's a little piece there and one over there, and then a couple of cracks on the back of it too, but definitely challenging project. It is out of maple. It's 15 inches long, about 7.5 inches wide, and with the horns on, it's almost 5 feet from tip to tip. And I haven't glued them on yet because I'm going to put it up for sale, and for shipping, I will just put the horns in with it. I think there's a lot less chance they're going to get broke. And that way, these little guys are out of Oregon Myrtlewood, and I could make a gazelle or something too. But it was really fun just trying to figure everything out. A lot of work. I thought it would take me a couple of days to do it. It ended up taking me better part of a week. We were planning on having the video out on Friday, and it is now, I don't know, whatever day it is the week ended up, but it's the next week. All right. Again, thank you so much, guys at Arbortech. I really appreciate it. A couple things before I go. Chandler, we'll be in Chandler in a couple of weeks on the 26th of January at the Woodcraft. Please stop by and say hi if you're in the area. And Maker Central is coming up 4 months. I'll put a link down below in the description to the website so you can get tickets. It's right around the corner. A couple other things. Oh, I mentioned Jim Overton has done a bunch of skulls, so I'll have a link down below to his channel. Bobby Duke's done some skulls too. He even did one out of Fordite, a piece of Fordite that I sent him. It was super cool, so I'll put a link down below to both of those guys. And I think that is it. I'm racking my brain. Oh, it's not it. We'll be on live at 4 o'clock on Friday. We're going to do a live show. If you have any questions on this project or any other project, just please pop on. We'll be on for about an hour. That's Pacific Standard Time, so hope to see you there. We're getting the trailer and the camper all set up and ready to go, and we're taking off here about a week before, I think on Sunday or Monday before the show, so we can get down there. We got a lot of things lined up. All right, take care, and I will see you soon in a couple of days on YouTube, on live. All right, man. Have a good one. Bye.